This is the review for the Excel ribbon quiz. So first is your bottom border. Your bottom border icon is right here. It's your bottom border. Next, the first step to copy and paste. The first step to copy and paste would be selecting the cell. Then you right click, copy, paste. Oops, paste. But the first step to copy paste is selecting the cell that you want. Next is center, which is right here. It's this button. Next is if you see hashtags or pound signs, that just means your column is too small, so you just double click in between the columns. Next is merge and center. If you want to merge and center button's here. Next, you want to add your currency money sign. That is right here. Increase your font. That is here. The A with the little triangle pointing up. Next, you want to print out just one page. That's page layout. And that would be right here. One page. Then it says with one page. That's what that would look like. Next, if you wanted to copy the formatting of a cell, instead of you having to do all the formatting again, this is your format painter, the paintbrush. That will do your copy formatting. Next is adding numbers in multiple cells. That would be your auto sum button, because sum means to add. And that is it. You should make 100 on this quiz. Good luck.